To enable two-factor authentication in the member portal, click on the avatar and click Edit My Account. You can click on two-factor authentication, and then you can use an authenticator app to set up the two-factor authentication. So you can use the QR code in your authenticator app, follow the process of scanning a code to add a authentication, or alternatively, if you're on a desktop computer or you prefer to use this method, you can click copy and copy this code. I use 1Password, so I will now demonstrate how to set this up in 1Password. So this is the login that I'm using currently. At the moment, it's only storing my username and password there. To add an authenticator, a 2FA authentication, I'll edit this and I will click Add More, and then I'll add a one-time password. Then this is where I'll paste in that code. I'll click Save, and it now gives me this one-time password, which is about to run out, so I'll just wait. I've got 30 seconds now, so I'm going to click on this. It will copy that code, and then I can paste this in here. It will verify, and now two-factor authentication is turned on. Now every time I go to log in, I will have to use the two-factor authentication to log in. If I am actually a staff member somewhere in an organization and I try to access staff features, whether that be the admin portal or staff features in the member portal, it will tell me that I have to set up two-factor authentication first. So in this case, I now have to do this before I can access those things. With people who are not staff members in an organization and are only using this to manage profiles of, like, for example, parents managing their children, two-factor authentication is optional. You can choose whether to enable it or not, but for staff, it is enforced because for staff managing a lot more people and there's higher risks involved.